What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Today I'm having a great day, you know what I'm saying? And I'm about to go to the woods, you know what I'm saying? Do a vlog, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there, you know what I'm saying? Hey guys, I'm at the woods, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta tell y'all something crazy too, you know what I'm saying? But look at this, bro. Look at this, y'all. It's a nice view. Nice. See that? I actually heard about something that a 11-year-old boy had died down here. 11-year-old boy, and it's a white kid. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. And my counselor actually told me about it. I'm like, 11-year-old kid died down here? I'm like, dang. I'm like, that's weird. And I'm thinking like, why would an 11-year-old kid go down here by himself? You feel me? And it's kind of weird. Like, my counselor telling me that. I'm like, what the heck? 11-year-old kid died down here, and it's a white kid. It's crazy. And he said it was on the news. I'm like, what? But yeah, it's still kind of crazy how 11-year-old kid just died down here. And I'm looking like, what? You feel me? Like, I'm like, that's weird. Yeah, I'm just exploring nature. You feel me? Yeah. I just like exploring nature. You feel me? A nice sunny day. You know what I'm saying? But usually, I like to be in the dark. I know that sounds weird, but ever since like growing up, I always like spending in the house. I never really like be outside. I always like be in the house, like in the dark room. And you know what I'm saying? And that's how I used to like. That's how I just been used to being in the dark. You feel me? So yeah. There's actually a path down here. They can just walk to. Feel me? I'm like, wow, they got a path down here. This is crazy. What's that noise? Do y'all hear that? I heard something. I don't know what that was. I heard something like an animal. I don't know what that was. I don't know. I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah. What's that? This seems like this is a chill spot just to sit right here. You feel me? Like a chill spot. You feel me? Yeah. I just like being in the woods. You feel me? Yeah. What time it is anyway? I think it's like 12:40. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Like 12:40. Yeah, you feel me? But yeah. It's nice. And they got a whole path down here too. I'm like, wow. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, for real. Like, just imagine seeing Jason, like Jason Voorhees down here. I would literally run, bro. That would be crazy. Is that a tent? That look like a tent down there. Do y'all see that? That look like a whole tent. Somebody been sleeping out here. I just love exploring. You feel me? Yeah, that look like a tent, bro. Look at all this space down here. Is that a tent? I think that's a tent, bro. That definitely look like a tent. What's the whole river down here? Holy crap. Oh. All this stuff down here. Oh no, I thought that was a tent. No, I'm tripping. No, that's not a tent. I thought it was though. Like, it's a whole river down here. That's crazy. Wow. What the heck? Like, look at this. Like this is real nice, man. For real. This is real nice. Like, oh God. This is real nice. Just to see this. Nice river. A lake, wherever. Real nice. I wish I was able to go across there, but I ain't taking no chances. Yeah. Look at all this space, bro. Like, you feel me? This is a nice place to take a picture right here too. With a girl too. That'd be crazy. You feel me? But yeah. Comment down below if y'all like going to the woods too. You know what I'm saying? Like exploring nature. Cause I just like to see different things, you know. I don't like just being cooped up in the house, you know what I'm saying? I just like to get out the house and just do things, like, you know what I'm saying? Explore things, you feel me? Yeah. But as far as going to abandoned houses, no, that's not good. That's not good. You're not going to abandoned house. I already did it before, and it went bad, so I don't want y'all to do it. Feel me? Cause at least exploring nature, like going to the woods, better than going to abandoned houses where you can get in trouble, get caught. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just nice. It's just nice. Just being around here. I want to walk down there, bro. Like, no, it's too much like trees and stuff. It just probably like I probably like walk over here. You feel me? But yeah. I just love talking to you guys. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Yeah. Feel me? Yeah, real nice. See that? This is real nice, bro. For real. I don't know if I'm the only one that be coming out here. I want there to be other people that be coming out here. But I ain't gonna tell you the area where I'm at though. Yeah. This shit seems like a chill spot, like. Oh, the space, like, it's like I just keep walking further and further. It's like I don't know where I'm leading to, where I'm going. Like, I'm just keep walking. I just keep going. Wow, another river, what the heck? What the freak, bro? This is crazy, bro. Crazy thing about it, I can't even go across. I mean, I don't know. I probably could. I don't know. I think so. I don't know. Feel me? Nah, I ain't taking no chances, bro. Nah, I ain't going down there. Just talking to you guys, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I love this, man. I gotta start doing this more often, you feel me? I just like seeing nature, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah. Well, it's crazy how a little boy, 11-year-old boy, died down here though. I don't know where he died at. I don't know. Well, that's kind of weird. An 11-year-old boy just died in the woods. Like, what the fuck? Like, and he's a white kid. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. And my counselor showed me a picture of it. You know, I'm gonna pull it up too. A picture of it. You feel me? crazy. Just. But I wonder where his parents was at if the little boy was down here. Cause I know the parents ain't gonna just let no little kid just come down here like that. That's crazy. Like what? Like I don't get that. I really don't get that. For real. I'm like what? I really wish I can go across, man. But apparently I can't go across. I can't. And there's a whole train track down there. I don't think I can see it though. Yeah, but I can see it. Well, I know you can't see it on camera, but I can see it. Feel me? Yeah. I'm about to end it right here. I'm about to just chill in the woods for a little bit. Off camera, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? I'm out. Peace.